So today I want to show you homemade quick matcha latte recipe for all interested parties and grumpy cat lovers everywhere. So we're always going to start with matcha. I don't recommend necessarily getting the ceremonial grade, just a really nice one. Culinary grade isn't quite as good. You'll notice a difference. The higher grades come out more vibrant green. And as a latte, I prefer to use almond milk. You can use dairy, but none of us need more mucus in our lives. So we have a warmed cup of almond milk for you to keep healthy and make sure you don't develop any allergies. Another tool that you're going to need for matcha lattes is a matcha whisk. The whisk really makes a difference so your matcha doesn't come out clumpy. When you're warming your water, you don't want to boil it much more than 170 degrees. Some kettles will come in and they'll have a temperature grade on it. So don't boil water to a rolling boil. And we've already boiled the water here. We're sitting at the clinic, so this is something that you can do at work. If you're a purist, please keep in mind that this isn't a pure form. You don't need a degree in tea ceremony or ritual. This is get it done and enjoy your tea style. So your tools are matcha of your preference, and when you buy it, make sure you're buying the organic kind, because matcha is ground whole tea leaf that's ground up into a powder, and that will otherwise hold a lot of pesticides if it's not organic. So you got that, and you got your cup. You'll need 2 cups, one to warm your milk, and just about an inch of water in the bottom of your cup. I grew up in Colorado. I got my Colorado cup. And you can use as much matcha or as little matcha as you like. Maybe 1-2 teaspoons are good. So, not that much. And I'll do that 1.5 times, depending on what time of the day or my energy level. It's after lunch. I just want a nice cup of tea. Don't leave it sitting in the water too long, and you want to whisk it. Not in circles. You do it as an M, up and down, up and down, up and down, side to side. And that will get you a little frothy matcha that's nicely blended. Just takes a minute or two. You could probably get a less expensive and still effective whisk at any store. I like these bamboo whisks. They're really great. Don't put it in the dishwasher though. So that's that. And you're almost done. Mix them up. And now you have a matcha latte. You can use sweetener to your taste. I like a little honey. It tastes slightly like grass clippings, but that's good for you. And enjoy the antioxidants, because the antioxidants in here is what makes matcha magical. It builds your body and helps you clear out free radicals, which otherwise would cause tumors and all kinds of other unfortunate things in your body. Just a happy health tip from the Wellbridge Clinic to you. Have a great day.